Hello friends, this is Samsung 1600 watts vacuum cleaner. This set is brought from the customer house. The motor is not running. Okay, let's open the cabinet. And what about the vacuum cleaner? We must see. This is only locking system is there in the top of this vacuum cleaner. Opening this top of the box. In this set, lot of dust is there. This unit is blown by the blower 2-3 times. Okay, I open this top cover. These are all the small particles is to be sucked inside this. For that purpose, these are all small dust is inside. It is collected. Okay, let's clean the all motor inside. I removed only 2 wire is connected for one switch. One switch is there, and this is the socket I am removing. Okay. No. Here is the switch is there in the red color. Okay. In this motor, the motor is fully complicated. Complicated means nothing is there, but this is another type of motor. Only single speed is there. The 2 wire is connected for brushes and the field coil. I opening this fan, sucking fan unit. This is the stator. This is the rotor. The fan I am saying. Okay, I remove these screws. And the fan is slipped by the 2 screwdrivers are put like this and pull out. Okay, this is the stator part of the motor, fan motor. Okay, this is the full set of motor. This motor, the armature is failed, and anyhow the field winding is to be done. The special type of rotor is there inside the motor. For that purpose, we can't get the armature in our city. I order the Samsung company. The specification is given to in the online order. I getting this motor from the Samsung company. I showing this video for only what inside the motor in the vacuum cleaner. For that purpose, I brought the new motor and fixed it to the customer and given to the vacuum cleaner. In this type of motor, any motors, we must open, but before we open, the mark must to be marked, because of the motor balancing is to be done. Otherwise you are getting a full work for that to free the motor. See, the commutator will be fully damaged. Okay, the all bearings and field winding all are good, but the armature is gone. For that purpose, we brought from the motor fully new one and put it in the vacuum cleaner. Thank you.